What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl, ShaniceAlisha. For everyone who is new, welcome. Go ahead and press that red subscribe button, baby, and tap the bell so you never miss another video upload from me. And for all my ride or die babies, hey y'all, welcome back, and thank you guys for tuning into another video. As you see by the title, if you can't comb roll, that is no problem. Okay, that's no problem, because I'm about to show you a super easy and effective way to get the same flat wig results with a two-strand twist out versus having a braid down underneath. Without further ado, let's get into this. Before you protective style, it is very vital to make sure that you're deep conditioning your hair, adding all that nutrients, proper care to your hair before you do put it up, because your style ultimately isn't protective if your hair is not protected. Somebody put that in a slogan for me. Come on now. So I did wash and deep condition my hair overnight. I kind of let it air dry as I was preparing to film today, so it feels really good. It may not look as good as it feels, but it feels really good, y'all. So I just do these two twists back so that I can keep my hair, you know, nice and detangled while I do anything else and while it has a little bit of a chance to air dry. The very first thing that we're going to do is create a nice clean part down the middle of our hair, because instead of doing straight back, we're going to do to the side and then back. I did hear that this was a more effective way to prevent breakage in your edges. So if we could save the edges, that's what we're gonna do all 2019, y'all. So to start, I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthened and Restored Leave-In Conditioner. Is my favorite, hands down, leave-in conditioner to do underneath my wigs, only because it says strengthened, restored, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, helps your hair grow. Boom, got it. Now, secondly, on top of that, I'm going to go in with Carol's Daughter Precoxy Nectar Curl Twisting Custard on top, just to give my hair like a nice smooth moisturizing product to really lock in that leave-in conditioner that I use. And then lastly, I am going to seal in and then also take some nourishment to my scalp with the Camille Rose Berretti Nectar Repair Oil. So this leave-in conditioner has shea butter, of course, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. You guys can definitely look up the benefits for those. They all play a very vital role in the health of your hair and just restoring and strengthening your hair strands. So that is one of the big reasons why I love to use this stuff. I've mentioned it before in my favorite products from last year video, but you guys have seen it also in the past. All right, so this is our very first section for our flat two-strand twist out. As you can see, it goes from here all the way back, as I mentioned earlier. So now I'm going to go in with my curl twisting custard, and I'm going to oil this section to seal in that moisture as well. Okay, so y'all, this is the fun part. I'm about to go in and start this two-strand twist. I'm going to separate a section like this. As you get more accustomed to doing it, you won't necessarily have to do this, but it's all in the technique. So I'm going to take this section here, of course, separate it into two like you would do a braid, and then twist it around and then hold it. Twist it around, hold it, and then add in as you go down and backwards. And then for the bottom, of course, you can add some more product just to take care of those ends because they're the oldest and most fragile part of your hair. And if you need to, you want to lightly just kind of detangle what's going on back here. And then you can just do a twist all the way down. So, very first one, as you guys see, nice, neat. It's just like if you were to cornrow your hair, and of course, you know, you'll lay your edges underneath your wig. So let's move on to number 2, and I'll show you guys this one nice and slow-mo, up close and personal, as I did that one. All right, guys, so going in with my curl twisting custard once again. My hair is already detangled, but if you did not do so, you want to make sure that you do so as you're going through section by section. Now I'm just going to go in and seal that with my oil and move into doing this twist. So see that nice and flat, neat twist, y'all. Super easy. And at the end, of course, you guys know I will combine these and bobby pin them up, but I'm just going to speed this up, of course, and let you guys enjoy the music as I keep going. I'm not sure exactly how many will be in this section, but I'll count them out for you guys at the end. Now, briefly, if your section feels a little dry, go in and mist it with some water, because as you guys see, this style takes a lot of manipulation, just like braiding would. So just make sure that you're feeling your hair, you're listening to it, and you're paying attention to what each section needs. All right, so this is the final product, y'all. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each side, so there's a total of 12 two-strand flat twists in my hair. Want to kind of give you guys a visual of how it looks. So now I'm going to go in and twist them all together, and I'll show you guys this step so I can make sure that my ends are protected. I'm gonna bobby pin them and then put on my wig cap. So with the 6 that I have on this side, I'm gonna keep them nice and separated like this, guys. And then I'm gonna go in and just twist these together. So twist them together, kind of like leaning towards that side. how I took it like up. So these are up now. Take my bobby pin and pin it right here. I'm going to pin it a few places, but I'm going to pin it downwards and kind of tuck that little one in right here. So it's nice and flat, twisted right here, and boom, done. Same situation with the other side. I'm gonna twist these together. This is pretty much the final product that we have working here. I'm going to put on my wig cap. It's kind of like a more flesh tone, not too nude, and it's definitely not black, so it looks good underneath the lace in my wig. I'm going to do like a 360 turn so you guys can see what it looks like from the front and then on to the back. Y'all, I'm over them out there. They all day y'all wasn't doing none of that until I wanted to film. So anyway, guys, let me go ahead and get into this 360. I'll come back with my wig on and I will close out today's video. Baby, 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 my wig is laying flat. I see you from a mile away. Protective styling, never been so easy. Oh, baby, baby, please. Y'all, I hope this video changed the game for somebody out there, because it's okay to be a part of this society of black women who cannot braid. Because baby, we can do things like this. My wig is laying flat. That's number one. Number two is at night when I take it off, I can go in on my scalp, massage my scalp, and not have to worry about, did I get this area? Did I not get this area? If I want to wear this wig for the next month, when I take my hair out, it will not be matted. I will not have any unnecessary shedding. Y'all, you can wear that two-strand flat twist as a style itself. You can just decorate it with some hair jewelry, or if you wanted to take it out, you will have a cute, nice, and jubilant fro and kind of have like a twist out type of pattern. Y'all, it just makes life that much easier. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope, like I said before, it was extremely helpful for you. Let me know down below in the comment section if this changed up the game just a little bit for you. Don't forget, if you like this or love this video, whatever the case may be, you're coming back to see some more, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, baby, and tap the bell before you leave. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.